Hello dear friends, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today's recipe is an Indo-Chinese recipe, chicken Manchurian with my touch. Delicious fried chicken in slightly sweet, hot and sour sauces. Usually Manchurians dishes look darker in color due to the liberal use of many sauces. Since I prefer to minimize the item, it might turn out so good. Hope you'd like it. Let's begin. First, we want to marinate the chicken. Here I am taking 250 grams of boneless chicken breast. Cut the chicken into small cubes. Adding 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Mix well and keep aside. In another bowl, add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon ginger powder, half a teaspoon onion powder. It's optional. If you don't have, you can skip this. Add salt and some water little at a time. Mix and make a slightly thick paste. The consistency is not too thick or no runny one. It should be like this. Add the marinated chicken pieces. Set aside for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cutting the vegetables, I am taking 1 medium-sized onion, 2 green chilies, 1 capsicum, 1 spring onion and 3 to 4 garlics. Cut the onion and capsicum slightly big cubes. Chop the garlic. Slitting green chilies and chop the spring onion. Heat the pan, adding some oil. Fry the chicken pieces over medium heat until it turns golden color. I have deep fried the chicken pieces, however you can also grill it. If you don't want to add chicken, then the vegetarian version like gobi, veg and paneer manchurians. I already posted in my channel. If you want, do check out. Link in my description below. Now make our dish. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, adding chopped garlic. Saute for a minute. Slitted green chilies. Now add onion and capsicum. Cook for 2 minutes. Don't overcook. It should be little crunchy texture. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder and half a teaspoon red chilli flakes. Saute well till the raw smell is gone. Now adding main ingredients: a tablespoon tomato sauce, a tablespoon chili sauce and a tablespoon soy sauce. Mix it together and check the salt. Add fried chicken and spring onion, mix it and turn off the heat. And our tastiest chicken Manchurian is ready. It's good combination for fried rice, noodles and rotis. Actually, this is not the proper way to make Manchurian, but this is my way. It turned out so tasty. Do try out this recipe and let me know your feedback. Please do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more new updates. This is Shafana. Wait for what next in Shafa's Healthy Kitchen. Until then, stay at home, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.